Welcome back to Tower of Rage, Part 2, because it's gonna take a long time for me to do this. I'm splitting this up into a lot of oh, fuck. Oh my god. Nubis! Fuck off. Dude. The creator of Sacred in Hell fucked me up. God damn it. Oh, you just got crushed. Ugh. Fuck, man. How am I gonna do this? Okay. Okay. Alright. We're okay. We're okay for now. Alright. Third floor. I think there's 5 floors. It's sad. Oh my god. Why is this going so fast? Holy shit. I actually made it up here. Yeah, 1 checkpoint per room is not good for me right now because I will either destroy the placemat that my phone is sitting on or... Oh my fucking god. Or yeah. Oh my god. Oh! Fuck. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay. This took me longer than it should have. It took me so fucking long to get up here. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's do this. Fuck. My foot is falling asleep. What? This is the most confusing thing I have ever played. I am not going to be able to figure this out right now. Okay. Okay, we're done. For now. Okay. I'll be right back. I don't know how I did it, but it just took me one attempt off camera. Place a checkpoint. Oh my fuck. Already starting with this shit. Oh wait, why am I... What? I really hate this fucking thing. Okay, we're good. Oh, I was accidental. I did not mean to do that. Well, whatever. Wait. Oh, I thought I could. I hate this level so much. I suck at this game. I suck fucking ass at this fucking game. Ugh. Oh, I would have never seen that shit right there. Please don't crush me. I fucking hate this level so much. And I'm not a quitter, so I'm gonna play this until I beat it. No! No! Fuck, man! It took me so long to get there. God damn it. Alright. I'll be back once I get there. Until then, I'll see you next time.